हाय नोंथांमोन फिन खेबसेबाव गोसो गुदुङै आंनि YouTube चेनेल नार्जारि 21 आव नोंसोर बयखौबो बरायबाय। मोनसे गोख्रों मिथिहोनाय आंनि भिडिअआ साबस्क्राइबार बारायहोनायनि थाखाय नङाबा भिउआर बारायहोनायनि थाखाय नङा, नोंथांमोननो माबा मोनसे हेफाजाब होनो थाखायसो। बेखायनो भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनोब्ला शेयार खालामो। दाहालागै नोंथांमोना थाम्बनेलखौ नायनानै मिथिखाबाय आंनि दिनैनि भिडिअआ डिटारमिनेन्टनि सायाव जागोन होननानै। दिनैनि भिडिअआव आङो मायथाइ 2005 निफ्राय 2022 सिम सेबानि HSLC एग्जामाव होनाय गासैनो कुवेश्चनखौ आङो सल्व खालामगोन। बिनिखायनो भिडिअखौ नोंसोरो जोबजासे मोजाङैनो नाय। खेबथाम खेब्रैसो नोंसोरो नाय आरो आं मिजिंथियो आरो आंहा गोरा फोथायनाय दङ नोंसोरो डिटारमिनेन्टनि सायावहाय होनाय कुवेश्चनफोरखौ नोंसोर सल्व खालामनो हागोन। आरो मोनसे खावलायनाय दै, नोंसोरो जेरैनो भिडिअखौ नायो कमेन्ट हो अबे इंराजिनि आयदायाव नोंसोरो भिडिअ लुगैयो। आं सेस्था खालामगोन नोंसोरनि थाखाय भिडिअखौ बानायनानै होनो। हाय लोगोफोर, फैदो जोङो भिडिअखौहाय आरम्भ खालामदोनि। जोङो गिबियावनो लादों HSLC एग्जाम 2005 बेनि कुवेश्चनफोरखौहाय ए निफ्राय एफ सिम 10टा कुवेश्चनफोर दङ। दे जोङो सल्व खालामनो नाजानि। ए only dash among the invitees turn up। बेहाय मा जागोन आन्सारा few। Do you have books on astrology? मा जानो हागौ बेहाय any। C you will have to manage with dash money you have। जोङो अपसन दङ little, a little, the little। बेहाय मा जानो हागौ आन्सारा the little। नेक्स्ट D dash undergraduate cannot apply for that post। जोंना अपसन दङ A and the। मा जानो हागौ बेहाय fill in the blank and E the society gives dash respect to a thinker। बेहाय मा जानो हागौ आन्सारा many, more, much। respect खौ जिहेतु जोङो सुनो हाया बेखाय मा होनो अनुमान खालामगोन, बेखायनो जों मा होनदों much। लास्ट 2005 मायथाइनि if this is not dash usual happening बेहाय जागोन A। दानियाथ' जोङो थांदिनोलाय मायथाइ 2006। बेनो जोङो 2006 नि कुवेश्चना A निफ्राय F सिम that girl dash good qualities much, more, many। बेखौबो जोङो काउन्टिं खालामनो हायाब्लाबो बेहाय जोङो मा जिरायगोन many। B can you help me with dash money। जोङो अपसना दङ little, a little, the little। so मा जागोन आन्सारा a little। C our principal is a man of dash words। बेहाय मा जागोन आन्सारा few words। D did you buy oranges today। orange बेहाय O जों आराम्भ जादों बेहाय मा जानो हागौ जोंथ' सानगोन N, नाथाय वो N आनो गैया अपसनावहाय any, some, many। so here answer will be any। E our teacher gave us useful advice। बे बार बार फैबाय थायो दे, एसे गोसोआव लाखि much useful advice। बेबो F Kalidas is thus Shakespeare of India। बेबो बार बार फैबाय थायो, उन्होंने गोसोआव लाखि। बे आन्सारा मा जाहैगोन the। दे जोङो दा जोङो 2007 मायथाइयाव थांसै। मायथाइ 2007 A याव दङ जोङो मा he has dash friends who stand by him। ऑप्शंसफ्रा few, a few, the few। आन्सारा जाहैबाय a few। B did you have difficulty in finding। difficulty लांदां जायगायाव मा जागोन बे बार बार फैबाय थायो, एसे गोसोआव लाखिदो बेहाय मा जाहैगोन much। C his brother is university student। कन्सोनेन्ट सुरजोंहाय आरम्भ जायो बेखायनो बेवहाय मा जागोन जोंहा A। D I appreciate even dash help they gave me little, a little, the little। मा जानो हागौ बेहाय the little। E an umbrella is dash useful thing। vowel बाबो कन्सोनेन्ट सुरजों आरम्भ जानाय बेखायनो मा जाहैगोन A। F have you dash books to read। बेहाय जागोन any books। जोब्बाय जोंहा 2007 मायथाइ। दानिया जोङो थांनि 2008। नैबेनो जाहैबाय 2008। A many guests were invited but only dash turn up. The few, a few. A few. B. This is dash European lady I was talking about. Option A and the. Behai Bay Aiziko Siganu Kuzanaja. We're talking about Najadam. We can European Sigomaziragana. The C. I cannot give dash money. Penny answer as any money. D. We found the house without dash difficulty. And give you on the one difficulty. Parabar pivot and nai pivot. We have much. E. Sri Lanka is dash island. I as in a vowel in Sajana becomes a Bemajaragan and F. Dash of the boys was rewarded. Behemazanago H. Let's go to now year 2009. A. He gave away money he had to the beggar. Be option little, a little, the little. Be again, the little. B. Reading is thus useful hobby. Sing sika woman kabai. Useful ni sika maziraye. A ziraye. C. Only dash of the candidates were suitable. Only mazagan a few. Okay. D. They won the match without difficulty. Our difficulties in people can be mazagan match. E. Dash of the competitors will get a certificate. Mazagan H. Number F. I don't expect dash help from them. So what will be the answer? Any. Now let's go to year 2010. Gasolaki number 1. Number A bihai mahadeng NCC. Ise gasolaki zebla zenga songket nam prahanai thaye short form prahanai thaye bini sigangau zenga bangsinane ma jeraye N jeraye. A. My brother is an NCC cadet. B. First read books you have with you. The few dash of the oranges were rotten. So many, more, much. Which will be the answer? Correct answer. Many of the oranges were rotten. D. Socrates gave useful advice to his pupils. So what will be here? A and to gani. Madungo. Many, much, more dungo. Bikin mazagan bihay. Yes, much. E. Hurry up. We have only dash time left. Mazanago bihay. A little. Now next F. The worker decided to form union. So union is sigang okay maziraye. Sebato union thaye maziraye. A. And 2011 my tani pai ese salai solo zadeng question ni partner. Daniel maziraye 2011 pai braid hello question dongo. Siga singa dota dongmon dana braid hello question dongo. De jeng biko solve kalamu nazani. A. The painter is a man of words. Siang bujeng kanadongmon principally mamu. Okay. Yes. The painter is a man of few words. B. Thus, honorary secretary gets no salary for holding the post. Option A and the. Mazanago bihe. We have H silent. We can sura jeng jaga jena vowel hanke jeng. O jeng we can be mazaga jenga and. C. Okay. Of the candidate must produce his identity card. Any, every, each. So what will be? Each of the candidate. Okay. Now next we have got D. India won the match with bit of luck. A little. Okay, now let us go to year 2012. And this is 2012 again. Solve kalamni nazani. A. Okay. Dash men are free from faults. People paribar pire ise goso laki. Few, a few, the few. B. Dash hour has passed since he left us. Be echa zenga siri. Sura arambo jadong vowel hanko o nifrai ma again. Yes, it is N. So C. What is it? Can you guess? Ise sankana hagan nama ma jana hago. Okay. Dash of the students will be given a copy of the magazine. Mazago H. Let's now do D. Please give me money you have dash. Please give me dash money you have. Mazanago little, a little, the little, a little money. Dania's in 2013 Maitini SSLC examination of Hanai. Question for solve column Nazani. A. He will come back within an hour. Dash men are free from faults. Sigang bujang bikumun kabai. Few men are free from fault. Here, leaf year falls in 4th year. So what is it? Any, every, each, every. D. Dash learning is a dangerous thing. So what do you know? Little learning. 2015 question ko naile ekdom gugun rokomni be options be gaya landang jaga jeng supung nangwa dab nilo. Please give me time to finish the work. Okay, so answer will be some. Then I will take you university. What will be the university? 2016 maitani HSLC examination questions prepare ni breta kintu bisra tania maja lebai options per geila bekaine gaune sankang roंनांसिगोन. Let us solve them. Bisoko जोङो समाधान खालामनो नाजानि. Ramen comes home twice a month. सब समय गोसोआव लाखि. Mr. Bell rang bell of alarm and I woke up. Be मा जागोन? The. A busy person has मा जानांगौ? Time to waste, little time to waste. D. Only applicants were found suitable. Only few. Okay, now let us go to the next one. That is 2017. Okay, A, you already know it. Okay, so NCC short form. So what will be here? Okay. My brother is an NCC cadet. We found the house without dash difficulty. By difficulty go much. He has to feed his family with the little money he earns. Our principal is a man of man of few words. Now let's go to 2018. Okay, so A, B, C, 4 questions in a breta question demo. Thus rich are not always unkind. Rich okay, so it will be there. The principal gave the students sound advice. Much. Every school has union of the students. Union yes, A. Okay. Now D, is there dash coffee left in the pot? Question again. Any. Now let us go to 2019. Yes, this is 2019. Okay, so here also second options for gaila. Options for gaila. Bekaine जोङो गावगानो सोलोंनांगोन. गोरासिन खालामनांदों exam खौहाय. Okay. A. My brother had gone an hour and सिगांनो जों मोनखाबाय बेखौ. Okay. B. A busy man has time to waste, little time to waste. The classes started after bell had rung. So the here of their property was lost in the flood. Mazanago much. Now let us go to 2020. Okay. A. They won the match without difficulty. Yes, much. Reading is useful. By A. I gave him books. I had few books. I had. Again D. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Now let us go to 2022. Say 2021 of metric exam. Let us go to 2022. This is 2022. Okay. So Mr. Barua is a man of words. Few. Mrs. Manisha married European gentleman. You. Using arambo jadang vowel. Kintu bini rao ko bojnaya jaideng consonant surjeng. You. Bekene bihai ma jogan jengha A. I want only encouragement from you. The little. I want only a little encouragement from you. D. Of the participants will be given a certificate. Age. Okay. Dinay bezeng ang video ko. Thank you.